Hey guys, Chris from Flow Designs. Today I'm going to show you how to go from a big OEM plinth like this down to something small like this, just using two products. Factory plinths or plate holders comes in various sizes. Some are a little bit smaller, some are much larger, but either way, they're going to be too big for Australian sized number plate. So we've come up with a product range to go from something like this to something like that, which is going to be a lot smaller. And this will replace your big ugly factory plinth. How it works is simple. We give you all the hardware necessary to install this onto your car. The next step is to pair it up with a number plate bracket. We have brackets to suit plates all over Australia. Pair it together nice and clean like that and get rid of your ugly plate holder. All our plinths are made specifically to suit a certain vehicle. So for example, this is a W204 C-Class. We've got stuff for Model Y, BMW, and all our brackets are also specific and they're all made from high-grade aluminium. So they're made to last and also to make your car look good. We're always expanding the range of plinths to suit various makes and models. So if you don't see something on our website today, do reach out and we'll be more than happy to help. I hope you found this video useful and thanks for watching.